Okay, so you're on site and someone's asked you to find a 30-degree and a 60-degree angle. You don't have a protractor, you don't have a compass. All you've got is a saw, a ruler, a pen and a plank of wood. So you proceed by drawing 90 degrees down. On that 90-degree line you just put, you mark 7 centimeters. Then you halve 7 centimeters, 3.5. Across the horizontal line, you mark 120 or 12 centimeters. Half of 12 is 6. You mark down the 6. You come up 3.5. You join those 2 points. And then you join the 3 points you just found. There you have your 30-degree, your 60-degree and your 90-degree.